Meaning of Internal Revenue Service.
Internal Revenue Service.
Internal Revenue Service.
Internal Revenue Service.
Internal Revenue Service. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, is the tax collection agency of the United States federal government. Its primary responsibility is to collect taxes and enforce the Internal Revenue Code, which is a set of laws that governs how taxes are collected and administered in the United States. The IRS is responsible for processing tax returns, auditing taxpayers, and enforcing tax laws to ensure compliance with the tax code. Its mission is to provide America's taxpayers with top-quality service by helping them understand and meet their tax responsibilities and by applying the tax law with integrity and fairness to all.